Television actors Sanam and Abigail Pandey have been booked by the NCB. The agency has registered a case against the two for drug consumption by Section 20 of the NDPS Act. Cutting across to my colleague Piyush, who's picking up more details on the same. Piyush, they were questioned yesterday. Today they've been booked by the agency. And tell us more about what they revealed yesterday and how this action was taken.
Well, remember that they were grilled for at least 2 days. Throughout the day, they were grilled by NCB at their office in Balad state of Mumbai, and many details had come out during their interrogation. And not only them, but around 50 stars, Bollywood stars are there, which are on the radar of NCB. And now Abigail Pandey and Sanam Johar, you know, they were summoned by NCB after the kind of information NCB collected from the raids which they conducted on the drug peddlers, because they were reportedly in touch with drug peddlers. When we also, on the first day when they left from NCB, we tried to speak from Abigail Pandey. We tried to understand from her as to how she was in touch with Riya Chakraborty and was she also helpful in procuring drugs. To which she said that as of now she has been asked by NCB not to say anything. But on the other side, what we are learning is that she has now been booked. What we are learning is that NCB is going to take further actions against them. Their house was also raided, and also not once. Today in the morning also their house was raided. So this somewhere tells us that not only Bollywood actors but also television actors are also involved in this drug nexus, which is deep rooted in Bollywood. What we're also picking is that today it's going to be a very important day. Karishma Prakash, talent manager of Deepika Padukone, will be grilled by NCB. Yesterday we saw that how Shimon was also grilled by NCB. Fashion designer Shimon, she was grilled by NCB. And tomorrow, Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, these three actors will be, grilled by NCB. So this somewhere tells us that how NCB is now cracking down on these A-listers of Bollywood. Today, Karishma Prakash, including an employee of Dharma Productions, Kshitij, and also Rakul Preet Singh, these three important characters will be grilled by NCB. We'll have to wait and watch what comes out in this. But latest which we are picking is that NCB is conducting raids in 3 parts of Mumbai, Powai, Andheri, and one more area, and they are collecting more information. They have also booked Abigail Pandey and Sanam Johar, television actors, and more television actors are now on the radar.
All right, Piyush, many thanks for those details. And we cut across to more breaking news coming in. Sushant Singh Rajput's family